Join me as I dive into the world of AI and challenge myself to create an entire video using the Veo V2. Can I really revolutionize my content in just one day? Veo V2 is the ultimate game changer in the world of video creation, and I'm super excited to share it with you today. This innovative platform is designed to make video production faster, easier, and more creative than ever before. By leveraging the power of AI, Veo V2 is set to revolutionize the way we create video content. The team behind Veo V2 has clearly understood the needs of modern content creators and has crafted a solution that addresses the most pressing challenges we face. With Veo V2, you can say goodbye to tedious video editing tasks and hello to a world of creative possibilities. One of the things that really caught my attention is the seamless integration of AI-powered tools with a user-friendly interface. This means that anyone can create stunning videos regardless of their technical skills or experience. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Veo V2 has got you covered. As we dive deeper into the world of Veo V2, you'll see just how powerful this platform is and how it can transform the way you approach video creation. So let's get started and explore the incredible features that make Veo V2 a game changer. We've all been there, stuck in the never-ending cycle of content creation, constantly struggling to come up with new ideas and battling against tight deadlines. As content creators, we know how tough it can be to consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with our audience. Add to that the pressure to keep up with the latest trends and the need to continually adapt to changing algorithms, and it's no wonder that many of us feel overwhelmed. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose, and it's easy to get burned out. But what if I told you that there's a better way? A way to create stunning videos without sacrificing your sanity or your social life. A way to free up more time and focus on what really matters, telling amazing stories and connecting with your audience. The sad truth is that many of us are stuck in the dark ages of video creation, manually editing videos, and spending hours upon hours perfecting every detail. It's a tedious, time-consuming process that can leave us feeling drained and unfulfilled. And let's not forget the technical skills required to produce high-quality videos. It's like trying to learn a new language, and it can be intimidating, especially for those who are new to video creation. But what if you didn't need to be a technical expert to create amazing videos? What if you could focus on the creative aspects and leave the technical stuff to someone else? That's exactly what Veo V2 offers, a platform that empowers creators and gives them the freedom to focus on what they do best. We've all seen those videos that just seem to tick all the right boxes. They're engaging, informative, and visually stunning. But have you ever wondered how they're made? Is it magic, or is there something more to it? The truth is that many creators are using AI-powered tools to streamline their workflow and produce videos that are truly exceptional. And that's exactly what Veo V2 offers, a suite of AI-powered tools that can help you create stunning videos in a fraction of the time. With Veo V2, you can automatically edit your videos, add music, and even create captions, all in just a few clicks. It's like having your own team of experts working tirelessly behind the scenes to help you produce amazing content. But that's not all. Veo V2 also includes a range of creative assets, from templates to animations that can help you take your videos to the next level. And with new assets being added all the time, you'll always have access to the latest trends and styles. One of the things that really impressed me about Veo V2 is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for those who are new to video creation. From the moment you log in, you'll be guided through the creation process, step by step. And with a range of tutorials and resources available, you'll always have the support you need to get started. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a closer look at Veo V2 in action and see just how easy it is to create stunning videos using this innovative platform. Imagine being able to create a stunning video in just a few minutes without any technical expertise. It sounds like science fiction, but with Veo V2, it's a reality. Let me show you just how easy it is to create a video using Veo V2. With just a few clicks, I can import my footage, add some music, and even create captions all in just a few minutes. As you can see, the results are truly stunning. A professional-looking video created in a fraction of the time. It's a game changer, and it's going to revolutionize the way we approach video creation. So, what makes Veo V2 so special? For starters, it's incredibly easy to use, even for those who are new to video creation. The AI-powered tools are designed to simplify the creation process and help you produce stunning videos in no time. But that's not all. Veo V2 is also incredibly powerful with a range of features that can help you take your videos to the next level. From advanced editing tools to a range of creative assets, you'll have everything you need to create exceptional content. And let's not forget the time-saving benefits. With Veo V2, you can create stunning videos in a fraction of the time. It's the perfect solution for busy creators who need to produce high-quality content quickly and easily. In a nutshell, Veo V2 is a game changer, a platform that empowers creators and gives them the freedom to focus on what they do best. It's a powerful, easy-to-use solution that can help you take your videos to the next level and produce stunning content consistently. So, what do you think? Are you as excited about Veo V2 as I am? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this innovative platform and how you think it can help you revolutionize your content. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more content and check out my other videos for more insights on video creation tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.